What's going on, my Fizz fam loyals? How you guys been? This is your girl See Me, and I'm coming back at you guys with another vlog. Okay, y'all miss me? I miss y'all. Okay, I've been MIA for a minute, and I had to take care of myself. Take healthy care of myself. So hope you guys are feeling good and in a good place, and did your breathing. Your calm down moment, and feel at peace with yourself from within. Okay, so breathe. Shake it off. Okay, anything that's not good. Okay, shake it off. Okay, so this is your girl See Me again. Can you see me? Can you see me now? How about now? Okay, that's what's up. Okay, all right, guys. So I'm gonna be just doing a little bit of whatever. Right now, what I'm going to be doing is fixing something I've never had, which is these crab cakes. Okay, these are crabless cakes, and they are always vegan, as you guys can see there. Hope you can see that, and dairy free. Okay, and they are delicious. I hope they say deliciously meat free. Okay, so that's what's in it. 9 grams of protein. Okay, and they're ready in only 12 minutes. Zero cholesterol, 140 calories, and omega-3s. Okay, contain 400 milligrams of ALA and 18 milligrams of EPA and DHA per serving. Okay, so that's what's up. So this is my first time trying them. So let's get started. Okay, guys, this is what they look like going into the oven. Okay, just kind of share that with you. Don't worry about my hand. It's that's my eczema. Okay, guys, I am ready to eat. Hold on. What? Okay, sorry about that. Just checking on the camera. Camera action. Okay, guys. So, once again, how's everybody? I will be doing this a little differently. I will be talking. Okay, and my crabless cakes are ready. Okay, and the way you cook these is 450 or high broil. You have to have them on broil or high or whatever, however your oven is set up. And for 7 minutes on each side, okay? And that's what I did. Now, the other thing that was a trip is I did not have any sauce. It didn't come with the sauce. So it says sauce is not included. So that was a little frustrating. I was like, okay. I was getting my purse ready to head up to Aldi and see if I can find some sauce. I was like, what can I use? I didn't feel like doing that. So what I do have, guys, this is some Matarine sauce, which you guys saw in the preview. Okay. And that came from this, which goes with some meatless chicken, vegan meatless chicken, Matarine chickens or whatever. And that's the sauce from that. So I'm going to see how it tastes with that. And this is some kind of sauce here. Look like some kind of spicy sauce. I'm not sure which one this is. It's to something. We usually have these little packs of sauce in the little compartment in the refrigerator. So I'm just going to try them out and see what works. And I do have some tartar sauce in here. So let's see what that does as well. So I just threw some sauces together just to try. And I have me a full glass of cold water. Uh, Tall glass of water. Okay. So here's my cakes all done up. Okay, guys. Yummy, yum, yum. I don't want them to slide. Okay. So that's my cakes. Alright, so I'm going to put a little bit of tartar sauce. This is going to be weird to taste probably. I don't even know. I would prefer the doggone sauce that came with it. Got me all excited about that. I didn't read the bag all the way to see that the sauce did not come with it. It was just a little area on the front at the bottom that says that. Small. Real small. Like a little fine print. Okay. So, got a little tartar sauce on my plate. See how that works out. Alright. Get me a napkin. Ready. Gotta have me a little napkin. Might get a little saucy here on my hands and stuff. Okay. So guys, it is good to be back. Okay. And I thought I'd share this. I do have another mukbang I will be sharing again of something else. And you guys stay tuned for that. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and say my prayer and get ready to just dive in and see how these taste. Okay. So Father, thank you, Jesus, for this blessed food I'm about to receive, for the nourishment of my body. And I pray for all those who are less fortunate, Father God. And I am feeling really blessed and happy, and I am so thankful in your heavenly name. Thank you, Father. Thank you, Jesus. Amen. Okay. All right. All right. Let's do this. Let's see how that look inside. It's smoking too, guys. Smoking hot. Look at that. Crabless cakes. Just want you guys to see that. Can you see that smoke? They are nice and hot. Okay, so we're going to see what this tastes like. We're going to try the tartar sauce first. Okay? Let's see what that tastes like. Alright, here goes. A little weird, but it's okay. It's okay. Alright. The cake is pretty good, guys. The crabless cake is pretty good. Okay, we're going to try this Mediterranean sauce. That's pretty good. Tartar sauce not so bad. Okay. I don't know why I feel like I would like that better. Because I know how it tastes. It's pretty good. I like that. I like that Mediterranean sauce. It seems to go with a lot of stuff. Like that can go with a lot of different stuff. So let me try this little sauce stuff here. See what that tastes like. Kind of right away, that was pretty good too. My favorite would be the Mediterranean sauce. Okay. But you guys know that there is some sauce that come with it. So that probably would be even, better or the best sauce for it. I don't know. But this is pretty dang good. I like this. Overall, guys, these are delicious. Okay? Yes, Lord Jesus. I love them. Guys, I love the way that is. Look at that smoke once again. Oh my God, guys. Yourself in them. They're so good. I'm going to go for this sauce here. I'm excited because you can pop these bad boys in your mouth right quick. They are so good. I only got one bag to try them because I didn't want to get several bags and didn't like them. This right here will work, okay? Let me let Gabby try because she's sitting there doing like this. She's just going. Here you go, Gab. Put your hand into the screen, getting it. Ah.
Thank you.
You want to try the Mediterranean sauce?
Yes.
And if you want to, you can get a little this or a little that. But guys, I know you guys want to know how I'm doing as well. Some of you, saying prayers for me and saying, hope I feel better and everything. And just to let you guys know, that's why I'm here to talk as well, to talk about how I'm doing and everything. But I'm feeling better. I'm doing better, guys. Thank God. I appreciate all of you guys' prayers and love and, and concern. I love you guys. You guys are awesome. And I'm getting better. Everything takes time, I feel covered in the Lord, so I'm not worried about that. And I've been doing what I need to do to take care of myself, okay? Healthy care of myself, okay? So I'm doing better. I just needed to take my iron tablets just to get my hemoglobin back up. So I have not had uh, my blood drawn for that again since I've been back on the tablets and everything, and for the past week or so. So I will eventually have that done, and I'll let you guys know about that. But right now, as it stands, I don't feel like I did. I really never felt, that's the tripped out thing. I never really felt dizzy or that messed up or anything, or like I was going to pass out. It's like once you go to the doctor and they tell you all these things, you're like, oh my God, I was shocked. And my cousin, she came by to see me the other day. She was like, she was checking on me. And she was like, I told her how I didn't feel anything. She said, damn, we got some strong DNA in this family. We can hold up. I said, yeah, we pretty strong. We are. Excuse me. Some of the crumb from the crab cake got in my throat. The wrong pipe. So, yes, guys. So, I was like, I know. We got some hella DNA. Guys. Oh, my God. Gabby. This is so awesome. Mm, mm. Guys, go to your Morningstar section. Next to this Morningstar section in Kroger's, they have these crab cakes. Crabless cakes. I want to make sure I say crabless. Okay, so if you just want something to snack on really quick and you like crab and everything, this right here is it. So, give them a go. I'm going to tell you. I love them. Oh my God, I love them. I love to break them and look at that delicious meatless crab in there. Woo, Lord Jesus. I love the Matarang sauce. I can't even. Y'all see I'm digging in this one the most. Yes. So, Gabby, how was it?
It was good. And the manner was good. I want to try it with
You like it?
tartar.
You want to try with a tartar? You can grab one. Just reach into the mukbang show and grab you one. I don't care. That's Gabby's hand. I'll turn it around for you. Help you out a little bit. Okay.
All right.
I love the Matarang. I can't get enough of the Matarang. I know I keep saying that, but oh my God. But yeah, guys, so I want to share something with you guys too. Okay, so but let me finish this statement about my health. But otherwise, just getting my hemoglobin back up is just the most important thing right now, guys. And I had to go in to the OBGYN so they can check me too, to see how I'm doing, do a pelvic exam. Okay, but anyways, we're not going to go much further into it. Basically, just the overall, I'm feeling better, and that's just the main thing right now, okay? And I'll tell you guys more as the time go by, and, keep you guys up to date and posted on how I'm doing. Okay, so I just been resting, Again, it was like a mental thing because, again, I did not really feel all of that. And like once they say something, you kind of go, oh, yeah, I do feel kind of woozy. But I'm good. I'm good, guys. Okay. So, yes. But in the meantime, while I'm sitting here, I want you guys to check out. Mm, 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 mm. I tell you. Mm. Oh, gotta close my eyes on this one. Now you just gotta close your eyes when something's so good and shake your head. Just be like, Woo! Okay, so I want you guys to check out this video. Is where I ate. I was eating a dinner a few nights after I got home from the hospital, and it was a 3-minute mukbang. So I just want to share that with you guys. So check this out. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed that little video. And I also want to share with you guys one more thing. Okay, this guy, he got down doing this advertisement for Metro, and I just thought it was awesome. And he was really cool to let me record him. So check this out, guys. Okay, go. Alright guys, so hope you guys enjoyed that little show and tell, show and do tell, right? Okay, so I thought he got down. Oh my God. You know what, let me get some tartar sauce. Tartar sauce is the second one I like. Now Gabby likes Gabby likes the Matarang sauce like me first. And she kind of preferred, at first she liked the tartar sauce next over this sauce. But now she liked this sauce before the tartar sauce, so this comes last. So, either or on that for me. I can go with this sauce a little bit before the tartar sauce still. Yeah. So, dipping in all of them. So, as you guys can see, I'm down to my last cake. I shared them with Gabby a little bit. I've only got one bag just to try them out again, so we won't have too many, but now I would love to have a lot of these. That's changed, okay? So, Woo! Lord Jesus. Who thought of this? Gabby going, yeah, in the background. She's like a background singer in the mukbang right now. Sorry about that. I wish I had more. Oh my God. That was everything. Whew, that was everything, guys. Let me come down some. Okay. I've been moving around a lot. I've been going to the store and stuff. I grocery shopped. I didn't even share that with you guys. But I'll be sharing some of the foods I bought, so don't worry. Pretty much the stuff that I always get. And so I've been moving. I don't like to be still. That's one thing about me. I hate being still. And I'll get up and move around in a heartbeat. So I've been active, you know, do a little stretching, a little yoga, a little this, a little that, you know, just keep the body moving, muscles moving. And you got to work them, you got to move them, you know, so they won't get compromised. I can't lay down forever, but I do get my rest, proper rest, okay, so. Cheers. That was pretty good. Ah, that felt good. good as it gets. Okay, guys. So that does it for my mukbang, guys. Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed the show. Okay. And just one more thing before I go. Okay, guys, I'm going into my room. I just wanted to share with you guys. I cleaned up in here really good. Got down in my room. So let me turn the light on. I actually put a bulb in my dresser light. Finally, it's been a long time since I put a bulb up there. I cleaned my mirror off, so I don't know why this stuff is still showing. I wipe my mirror down really good. These mirrors, I don't know what it be and how, I guess dust still some kind of way. I dust my whole room really good, so I don't know what's up with that. I'm going to have to wipe that again. As y'all can see, that's my picture of me. Look at that, guys. A lot younger. A lot younger me. And that's the girls down there. I got a picture of Queen Amy. Okay. Still kind of looks like that. They're not that old. Probably 8 years old or something at this point. Nana, Queen Nana. A little dull in the camera. And that's I don't know why it's so dull. But that's Queen Lily and Queen Amy. They took one of these little photos. So I don't know why it's like that. Anyways, Queen Lily down in the corner right there on the right, on your left probably. Okay, so this is a picture of Miriam and Nana when they were a lot smaller. Look how cute they are. Oh my God, bring that up a little bit. Okay. Adorable. This is so adorable at that time. Oh my God. Okay, so I got those little pictures stuck back there. And I cleaned my dresser off really good. Okay, nice. I dusted it really good and cleaned my little mirror here that I keep my nail polish and my little perfumes and lotion on. And I just got a lot of stuff off of my dresser. Okay. And this is my little shelf over here. It's a little dark because I don't have the bigger light on. But I have my dolls and little things, trinkets up in here. Okay. And a few little books there and stuff. Don't worry about that. And my bed is just how I have it like this because Amy sleeps with me, Queen Amy. And that's her side over there, her pallet. It's almost like a pallet, okay? And my side over here, I just cleaned my bed and put some new covers and sheets on here and everything. So it's clean and everything. It's comfortable. That's just how we do it, guys. Sometimes I fix the whole bed up and be in the, the normal way, as you can say. Okay? And let me turn this light on. You guys can see better. Okay, so I cleaned up in here really good. I dust. It was so much stuff in here. I had to break down some stuff, throw away some things. Too many lotions and all that. I got rid of all the stuff that had fragrances in it. And okay, I don't have a lot of space, guys, but this is my whole room, nice and clean and everything. Okay. And just going real quickly around the room. Everything's all polished up and vacuumed and everything. So this is just little stuff I keep next to my bed and my little stuff that I have to take and use for my eczema and stuff like that. So, all right, guys, I'm done. This is my forgot what you call it. But anyway, my dresser here. So, chest of drawer. I wanted to say another name, but anyway, that's my little stuff. I straighten up and dust up here. Everything nice and neat. All right, guys, this is going to end this vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed the show. Okay, so I love you guys, and make sure you like and comment and karate chop that subscribe button, guys. Show some love. Okay, and if you haven't become a Fizz fam, please hit that subscribe button and become a Fizz fam loyal. We would love to have you guys. We love everybody. We appreciate you guys again for your concerns and everything and your prayers. Okay, that's my little chop. My little board where I keep up with my little medicine and stuff, which is not nothing major. I don't take nothing but like a birth control, an antibiotic, and iron tablet. So it's not major, but that helps me to keep up. All right, guys, this is your girl, See Me, and I am out. Take care. Peace, love, and light.